for the web testing support. So to figure out that we need to have the servlet-based text execution listener, or that we need to have the to load a web application context, and some other frameworks like maybe Spring Security and Spring Batch might be able to benefit from this as well. And yeah, last but not least, this new support for programmatically starting and stopping transactions within your transactional test method. So in the past, it was just that a transaction would be started before your test and then roll back at the end. But people have said they want to be able to stop one, check something, and then start another one, and make sure that the code is working as they would expect in such use case scenarios. Yeah, and some more caching and performance improvements as well. So here, just to kind of show you some of the added functionality we have here, not specific to testing. You can actually use this for just setting up any kind of embedded database. With the embedded database builder, you have some new settings, ignore failed drops, adding scripts, setting the comment prefix, setting block comment delimiters for the start delimiter and end delimiter, other things like that. Just a really simple way to get an in-memory database configured and launched, and then shut it down at the end. So, roadmap. We hope to release RC1 in June of this year. So not having any milestone releases, just going straight to an RC1. Then with RC2 followed up in July, so probably towards the end of July, with approaching Spring 1 2GX, you might imagine, 4.1 GA coming out sometime in September. So we do encourage people to go ahead and start checking it out. Maybe some of the snapshots if you're interested. Maybe follow along with some of those Jira issues, and definitely when RC1 comes out, please give it a try and let us know what you think. In closing, a few notes about upgrade considerations if you're on the 3X timeline now or looking at 4.0 and 4.1. First up, Spring 3.2 does not support the 1.8 bytecode level, so it's just not going to work. The reason is for things like bytecode inspection with things like ASM and CGLib. So if you want to have full Java 8 support, you need to upgrade to Spring 4.0 or higher.